All right, guys, we're in the Ottawa National Forest right now, and we're gonna go check out Rainbow Falls. And of course, once again, we're the only ones in the parking lot. So let's go. Half-mile walk. Might even be doing a little bit of jogging since we're in a bit of a hurry. And plus, I need a little exercise from sitting there and driving so long. All right. The steps to trail drop sharply to falls. Pace yourself and avoid overexertion. Wow. You can see the falls already a little bit down there. That's pretty cool. Whew. Well, these stairs will be fun on the way up, huh? Getting my exercise in a little bit here. These stairs are not in the best condition either. I almost feel like my foot could go right through one of these steps. I can hear them creaking. And there's a few boards that have been a little bit wobbly. But nothing's broken yet. And, it's still functional, I guess, for a little bit longer. And shout out to the National or State Park Services, because we do appreciate you guys putting in steps like this. Otherwise, we would have just been able to get a quick little picture through the trees from the top there. So it's definitely fun to be able to actually hike down and get a bit of a better look at the waterfall. And it wouldn't be possible if it weren't for these creaky stairs. All right. That's a lot of steps, holy crap. Here it is, guys. Coming up on the little overlook deck of Rainbow Falls. Wow. Look at that, guys. Holy shit. That's what I came to see, baby. Oh, yeah. And look at that ice, those cubes of ice. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. Holy shit, baby. That's pretty dope. And then here's the Black River. Pretty cool. Well, I guess that's what all the time we can spare. So now we gotta run back up. All right, guys, we're hurting for time, but while we're here, let's go check out Sandstone Falls too. It says it's just a quarter-mile trail here. Hopefully there's not as many stairs as Rainbow Falls, because honestly, I'm a little bit worn out still from that one. Oh boy, steps. Steps and trail drop sharply. Pace yourself to avoid overexertion. All right, the same warning. So here we go. So this one is not quite as impressive as Rainbow, but any waterfall, in my opinion, is still pretty impressive. And this one's no exception. It's just not quite as large of a drop as Rainbow. But the cool thing with this one, Sandstone, is that you can get up quite a bit closer. Like, here's another set of stairs going down right to the edge of the waterfall. And I know it's not recommended, I'm not going to do it because of the ice, but boy is it tempting to go right up to the edge of that rock there and get a little bit of a better look too. But here it is, guys. All right, fuck it, let me do it. Here it is. Sandstone. Whoa. Yep, okay. Not gonna do that. Little too icy. I almost fell into the water right there, guys. So yeah, be careful when you come in the winter. Whew, that was a close one. Pretty cool. We'll go down here, get a little bit of a better view. Get away from the ice. Whew. Yeah, that was a little close one there. Wow. I couldn't help myself. Had to stop at Potawatomi Falls as well. Hopefully there's not as many stairs. I already see some. Oh, not too many stairs. Yeah, this was worth it. Just a quick detour. Wow. Look at this, guys. Oh, let me get a better view over here. Very cool. A lot of trees in the way. Let's see. Here we go. Oh yeah. You can zoom in there. That's what I'm talking about. Alright guys, here's another viewing deck here. This is probably the best one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Amazing. Alright guys, going down the Gorge Falls trail, and this is a welcome sight, seeing only 400 feet on the sign, and I also saw a handicap look accessible logo back there, which is telling me there's probably no stairs, and I'm certainly not complaining about that if that's the case. I can hear the water. Doesn't sound quite as loud as some of the other falls here in Black River National Forest, but let's see. Oh, and there are stairs. Oh wow, closed. That sucks. Come on. I guess I'm gonna respect that, guys. Yeah, barely. You know what though, I can kind of see it, and it's not quite as big as I thought it was gonna be. So maybe we're not missing a ton, guys. If you're gonna check out the Black River Waterfalls, make sure you also fit in time for the Great Conglomerate Falls. Unfortunately, I just didn't have enough time for that one today. There it is.